Today, we've got something truly special to talk about, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra Professional Photography Kit. At the recent Xiaomi 14 Ultra mobile phone conference, photography enthusiasts were in for a treat with the unveiling of this game-changing accessory. Priced at 999 Chinese yuan, but with an irresistible discount of 699 Chinese yuan for Xiaomi 14 Ultra users, this photography kit is making waves in the mobile photography world. First off, let's talk about connectivity. Xiaomi has ditched Bluetooth in favor of Type-C connectivity, promising a delay-free experience for seamless operation. Say goodbye to lag and hello to instant responsiveness. But that's not all. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra Professional Photography Kit comes equipped with a built-in 1500 mAh battery. What's special about this? Well, it supports blazing fast 90W Xiaomi Surge wired second charging. No more waiting around for your gear to power up. And here's the genius part. The kit intelligently charges your connected phone when its power dips below 80%. This means uninterrupted shooting sessions and never missing that perfect shot. Now, let's talk functionality. Xiaomi has really upped the game with a new custom function dial and a dedicated video button. Whether you're into photography or videography, this kit has got you covered. It's all about convenience and versatility. But wait, there's more. Xiaomi knows style matters too. The kit comes with a stylish, colorful trim ring, available in black and white variants. It's not just a tool, it's a statement. To sum it up, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra Professional Photography Kit sets a new standard for mobile photography accessories, enhanced connectivity, rapid charging capabilities, and improved functionality. This kit has it all. And with Xiaomi's commitment to innovation, who knows what exciting developments are on the horizon for us enthusiasts. That's it for today's review, folks. If you're as excited as we are about the Xiaomi 14 Ultra Professional Photography Kit, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech goodness, and we'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay tech savvy.